Okay, Assalamualaikum. This is Majlis Pengetua Sekolah Malaysia Negeri Kedah Trial Paper PMR Mathematics. Let's take a look at paper number 1. The number 285,679 is written as 300,000 after running off to the what? Near A is nearest 100. If I write is nearest 100, then I would be writing like 28. Let me write the original number, which is 285,679. If I write is nearest 100, then I'm running off this digit. So this will become 285,700 because the digit after 6 is more than 5. If I round it off to the nearest 1000, then I would go here. Okay, rounding off to that digit, which is 286,000. Still not the right answer. Nearest 10,000, then I will be rounding off this digit, which is 290,000. Still not the answer, and it must be D then. Then I running off up to that digit, which is then 300,000. So the answer is D. Number 2. Table 2 shows the prime factors of 42 and 105. These are only prime factors, okay? Find the HCF, highest common factor of 42 and 105. The prime factor of 42 is 42 is 2, 3, 7. What else? You can multiply those prime factors. 2 times 3 is 6, and then 2 times 7 is 14, and 3 times 7 is 21. Is there anything else there? No, that's all. Okay, I do not rearrange that in ascending order because these two digits 6 and 7 is not in the ascending order. Okay, but let's take a look at 105. So the prime factors is 235. 357. So let's go and multiply all the other numbers. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 7 is 21. 5 times 7 is 35. Right? If we multiply all those numbers, okay, 3, 5, and 7, what would it be? I think it should come back to 105, right? Where's my calculator? Okay, let's use my calculator here. 3 times 5 times 7, which is 105. Okay. Let's try the prime factors of 42. 2 times 3 times 7. Oh, 2 times 3 times 7. 42. So we get back the number. So let's take a look at the factors of both 42 and 105. Which any of those that you can identify as the highest common factor? Yes, it is 21. Okay, so the answer is B. Move on to the next question. Question number 3. The quotient of a number divided by 1000 is 0.03. What is the number? So this is like, we can solve this using algebraic method. So a quotient of a number divided by 1000 is 0.03. So let's say the number is x. It divided by 1000 becomes 0.03. So x is, you move 1000 over this side to become 1 multiply 1000. So then x is 0.03 times 1000, and it becomes 30. So the answer is A. Next question. In a classroom of 40 students, 2/5 of the students score grade A. 2/5 of the students, that means it's 40%. 40% of 40. 35% of the students score grade B and the rest score grade C in an examination. Find the number of students who score grade C. Alright. So they're all 40 students altogether. So grade A, which is 2/5, 2/5 of the student of the 40. That means 2/5 5 times 40. Okay, times 40, which is this is 8, right? And then the answer is 16. And grade B is 35%. That means 35% times 40 becomes, let's use calculator. All right, 35%, 35, oh, 35%, divide by 100, 35%, okay, and then times 40 is 14. All right, so what is grade C? Grade C is just the rest of the student. The rest of the student, that means 40, you have to minus 16 and minus 14. That is 40 minus 16 minus 14. 16 and 14 is what, 30, right? This is 30. So 40 minus 30 is 10. So the answer is A. Move on to the next question, number 5. Diagram 5 shows the selling price of 4 types of baju Melayu during Hari Raya sales. Okay, there's Kiki, there's Lala, there's Mami, there's Nona. If the cost price is 110 ringgit, the cost price is 110 ringgit, which baju Melayu was sold 20% above the cost price? Alright, now the cost price of each of them are the same, right? 110 ringgit. So let's go and calculate the what is the what do you call that, profit, and we want to find 20%. The thing that sell 20%. We want to find something that sells 20% above the cost price. So if, take a look at Kiki here. Kiki 120, so the profit is 10 ringgit. 10 ringgit over 110 times 100 is how much? It's not 20%. Okay, it's not 20%. So yeah, if I use my calculator to calculate, although I know already it's not 20%, so it's not the right answer, but let's just go and figure out what is that. Times 100. That is 9% something, so that's not the right one. And then Lala, let's put it here. The profit is 122 minus 110, which is 12 ringgit. 12 ringgit, correct? Yeah, divided by 110. Okay, this is still not 20%. Okay, believe me, I don't need to use the calculator. And 130, so the profit here is 20 ringgit. 20 ringgit over 100. Under 110, sorry. 110 times 100. This is also not 20%. Let's just calculate 20 divided by 110 times 100. Yeah, it's still not 18%, and then it must be the last one. 132 minus 110, that is 22 ringgit. That is the profit divided by 110 times 100. That makes it to 22 divided by 110. No, 110 times 100. That's 20%. So the answer is Nona. Nona is A. Okay. This is 20%. So the answer is Nona A. Number 6. Diagram 6 shows part of a number line. Find the value fy minus x. So this is, okay, we need to go and guess. This is almost like a progression problem. Okay, let's go and see any pattern or any common difference. Okay, this is 3 unit difference. Okay, this is also 3 unit difference. Then the rest must also be 3 units, right? So if this 3 unit, then x is what? Okay, and this also must be 3 units. Then there is minus 6 minus 6 minus 3, which is minus 9. So x is minus 9. And y, if this is also 3 units, then y must be 3 then. But the question is, what is y? Okay, x is minus 9 and y is 3. So y minus x is 3 minus 9, which is 3 plus 9, which is 12. So the answer is D. Number 7. Table 7 shows the height of 3 students in a class. Okay, Ahmad is 1 meter 56 cm. Mohan 1 meter 78 cm, and Patrick is not known. Find the height of Patrick in cm if the sum of their height is 4. Find the height of Patrick in cm if the sum of their height is 4 meters 79 cm. Okay, which means to say 1 meter 56 cm. So I can write that as 1.56 meter plus let's put it that as x. Okay, we do not know what the value of height, what is the height of Patrick, and then Mohan is 1.78 meter. Okay, you add it up, it becomes 4.79. okay, how do I put this for 1.56 instead of 1 meter 56 cm? Because we know that 1 meter is 100 cm. So 56 cm is actually 0.56 meter. So I just add up to 1 meter. 1 meter plus 0.56 meter, which is 1.56 meter. So I hope it's pretty obvious to you. So I just do that because I think it's pretty much straightforward. So if I put that in algebraic formula, algebraic expression, then that would be 1.56 plus x plus 1.78. 1.78. Okay, still not so good. 1.78, that is equal to 4.79. So x is then 4.79 minus 1.56 minus 1.78, which is, okay, this is in meter, because but they need the answer in cm, so we need to convert it to cm. Alright, why don't I just convert it to cm right now on the calculator? 4.79 meter is 479 cm. Okay, minus 156 cm minus 178. So the answer is 145 cm. Yes, the answer is A. The answer is A. Cool. Number 8. The mass of a box of books and a basket are 2.5 kg. So this is a box of books and a basket, 2.5 kg and 270 gram respectively, or that, which means that the mass of a box of books is 2.5 kg and the mass of a basket is 270 gram. If Sarima bought 2 boxes of books and 3 baskets, calculate the total weight of goods. So 2 boxes of books, which is 2 times 2.5. Okay, and then you have to add 3 basket of three basket. 2 boxes of book and 3 basket. 3 basket means 2 times 270 gram. Okay, 270 gram. If you convert it to become kilogram, then you have to divide it by 1000, which is 0.27. Okay, so multiply with 0.27. So 2 times 2.5 is 5 kilogram plus 3 times 0.27 is 3 times 0.27, which is 0.81. 0.81. Okay, so we add them together, which is 5.81, which is D. Next question. In diagram 9, KM and SV are transversal. KM and SV transversal. So what's the question? Which of the angles marked A, B, C, and D is equal to X? Equal to X. Yep, the answer is, okay, X. This is X, okay? The answer must be C then. It's not the same as A, okay? Because why C? Because we have both horizontal line that crosses the same line KM, and they are on opposite side. So the answer is C. Just mark there, C. Question 10. Diagram 10 shows a quadrilateral. Find the value of X. Where is X? Okay, X is this one. We know the rest. Inside the quadrilateral, 35, 95, 40. If I name this as theta, then you know that the total angle of a quadrilateral is 360. Then theta plus 35 plus 95 plus 40 must be 360. Then theta is 360 minus 35 minus 95 minus 40. Okay, but that does not answer X yet. Okay, X is 360 minus theta. Okay, 360 minus theta. Okay, let's go and find theta first. Okay, theta, well, basically it's very simple. I can just add up 35, 95 and 40. That is actually the value of X, but let's just go through this method. 360 minus 35 minus 95 minus 40, that is 190. So X, okay, that is this is 190 degree. Okay, then X is 360 minus 190. Then 360 minus 190, 170 degree. The answer is D. Question 11. In diagram 11, PQSV is a rectangle and VTSR is a straight line. It doesn't say QSR. Calculate the perimeter in cm of the shaded region. QSR is a triangle, okay, obviously, and there is a small triangle inside. VT, I couldn't figure out what letter is that. This letter, what is that? But it's okay. We can figure out the answer. Okay, PQ is 10, which means that VS is also 10 cm. So, and VT and TS is the same length, so this must be 5 cm, and this is 5 cm. Okay, and let's take a look at that small triangle there, which I couldn't make up what the letter inside. Small triangle with right angle. This is 5, this is 3. Now if we want to find out what the length of that side is, you know, if you notice this, I can tell right from my brain this is 4 cm. Okay, how can I prove that? We can use Pythagoras theorem of a triangle of 5 and 3 this side, so we need to find x. Then x is 5 squared minus 3 squared, which is 25 minus 9, which is square root of 16, which is 4 cm. Okay, so what else do we need to do? That we need to add everything, all the rest. PV is 7 cm, so we need to find SR. You know, SR is still not given there. SR, what is SR? We can still use Pythagoras theorem here. You know, the hypotenuse is 25 cm, and one side is 7 cm, so we need to find SR. Where should I do that? So SR is the square root of 25 squared minus 7 squared. 25 squared is, I have forgotten. 25 squared is what? 625. Okay. Minus 7 squared. 7 squared is 49. Then is 576. Square root of 576. So what is square root of 576? Square root of 576 is 24. The SR is 24 cm. This is 24 cm. So let's go and add up everything, all the edges. So we begin with 24. It's already here, so we just plus 25, the QR, plus PQ, which is 10, plus PV, which is 7, plus V, plus 4, the inner triangle, plus 3, plus 5, okay, that is TS, and that's it, right? Yes, that's it, which is 78 cm. So the answer is B. Okay, the answer is B. Cool. Question number 12. Diagram 12 shows the combination of isosceles triangle KLN and right angle triangle LMN. Okay, with the angle 50 shown there. Okay, angle 50 is shown here, and this is 70. So the question is, find the value of the angle K and M. K and M. Okay, we want to find this one. Let's name it theta. Okay, K and M. Okay. If you look in the diagram, if you put everything to scale, then we know this is already bigger than 90, and the one that bigger than 90 is this one, right? Okay, if we are to guess the answer. All right, let's not guess, but that's my guess. So let's go and calculate really. So if this is 50, and let's find this angle, and if this is 90, and this must be what? 40. Okay, what about theta? Well, you can see this is 70 over here, and the other angle must be 50 and 50, is it not? Yeah, 50, 50, no, not 50, but 55. Okay, this is 55 and this is also 55. True or not? Well, let's do a calculation, because we know the angle there is the same, right? Because it's isosceles triangle. Then 2x plus 70 is equal to 180. So 2x is 180 minus 70, and x is 180 minus 70 over 2. 180 minus 70 is 110 over 2, which is 55. So it is correct. So the angle that we are looking for is 40 plus 55, which is 95. It is correct. My guess is correct. Let's move on to number 13. In diagram 13, PQRS is a nanogon. Nanogon means that it has 9 sides, right? It's part of nanogon. PQRS, okay. TQRV is part of a regular polygon. Calculate the number of sides of polygon TQRV. Number of sides. Calculate number of sides of polygon TQRV. That's interesting. Oh, okay. One information is given there. 20 degree is given here. Okay, that's a missing piece. So we do not know what is this polygon, right? Whether or not it's a hexagon or what gon. Okay, but we know that PQRS is nonagon. We have 9 sides. So if something that has 9 sides and they are all equal size, okay, I couldn't even. Can I draw that? It's a little bit difficult to draw. But what is the total number of angles there? The total number of angles for nanogon is going to be 9 minus 2 times 180. Right? 180. 9 meaning 7 times 180. Okay, then let's turn it on. 7 times 180. So the total number is 1,600. 1,260. Then there are 9 angles, so each angle is divided by 9. 1,260 divided by 9, 140. Alright. So we know this is 140. 140. While this is 20, then the one in green is then 140 minus 20, which is 120. So we know this hexagon. Okay, we know this hexagon already. Can we prove that? Yes. Hexagon has 6 sides. 6 minus 2 times 180 degree, which is 4 times 180, which means 720. Right? 720. Now let's calculate that using calculator. 4 times 180. 720, that's correct. Divided by 6 is 120. That's hexagon. So the answer is A, hexagon. So the video is almost close to 30 minutes, half an hour. So I shall break this video. I'll continue with the second video to continue with to proceed with question number 14 and the rest. Okay, I do not know yet how many videos I will produce for this one, but it's gonna be like more than 4, probably 5 or 6, or probably more. Okay, see you then.